Hi everybody and welcome to our channel, Acrylic Art and Pouring. This is Kim. So today we're going to show you how to mix these beautiful colors so you could do your own acrylic pour at home. Definitely, I know when we started we're like, how do we get this done? And we had to watch several videos. So we're just going to show you straight up how to do it and just step by step. You want to have on hand the silicone oil that's going to put those beautiful cells in your paint. Then next, water. You definitely need distilled water on hand. You don't need a whole lot of it. And then this, Floetrol. We're using it as a mixing medium, and this is going to give your paint the fluidity, right? So the paint comes in the little tube and you're not going to really be able to do a pour with it. So we mix it with the Floetrol, and this stuff is awesome. There's other mixing mediums. This is the one that we're using today. Then you also want to have some stir sticks. We're using the wooden ones right now, but I definitely recommend the silicone ones. We just got a whole gigantic box, and everything we're using, links are going to be down below. So now what we're going to do is we are going to first put in the Floetrol, and we want enough paint for one painting, and so we're doing a little less than half of the cup. And then we're going to go ahead and squeeze this beautiful gold Arteza, again link below, paint into the Floetrol. And the key to this is mixing it really well. So mix, 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 and all that white that you see, you want to make sure you get everything. It's really important. It's really important that you mix it really well, and this is a consistency that I really like. We've really enjoyed our pours. And so the Floetrol, remember, it's the base, it's the thickness. So we add water in the end just in case you want it to be a little bit thinner. And again, mix it really well, get everything off the edge, and that's the consistency we're looking for. That's it right there. Because when you do your pour, you don't want it to be runny, right? But you also want it to move in the direction that you direct it. So we're going to do one more. Again, maybe like half the cup. It depends on how much paint you want. And, the oranges are going to do a little bit better than the lighter colors. So we're going to put, about half of the tube again. Mix that there directly into the Floetrol. And then we're going to mix, mix, mix. Very important. Make sure you get everything off the sides of the cup and mix it really well. Once it's mixed, that's when you add just a little bit of water. And you can add little bits at a time. Again, you want to mix that really well. And there you go. And then the last thing is we're going to add the silicone oil. And again, you want to mix or shake, shake, shake. And we're going to add about 5 drops each. And I just want you to watch the drops that we're putting in. So maybe it's more of a squirt than a drop, but we did about 5 each. And again, letting you watch each one because, this is a beginner video and sometimes it's just nice to see it. And I don't know, the colors they're pretty. So it looks about 5 squirts in about a half a cup of Floetrol and a half a tube of color. Mix, 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 and there you go. So the video right before this, we used these colors. I uploaded them separately. Go back and watch the previous video. I put the link in the descriptions. And then like, share, and subscribe. We're uploading new videos and content, and we definitely would love to have you along for the ride. We love the pours and the resin art, and we hope that you do too. So hit the notification button so you know when our next video is out. Take care. Have a great day, evening, morning. Bye.